Jeff Bezos once said, "Your brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room." And in e-commerce, your product photos are your brand. AI has completely flipped the script on product photography. And today, I'm going to show you how to create insanely good product images like these using nothing but AI and your existing product shots. No studio, no models, no massive budgets, just smart tools and the right workflow. Let's get into it. This tool allows us to upload an image of a dress and it will generate realistic model photos with the dress applied. Before running the tool, make sure you sign into your Google account. Then click connect here and press play. Click run anyway, wait for a few seconds for it to initialize, and once ready, click this link. Now we have the access to the AI tool. Next, let us upload the dress image. Click input image, go to the image prompt and select the dress that you want the AI model to wear. I'm using this high quality image of a red evening gown. It's important to use a clear, well-lit image so the AI can accurately capture the details. Once image is uploaded, enable advanced settings at the bottom. To ensure the AI accurately represents the dress, set stop at value to 0.85 and weight to 0.99. Then select more settings, choose how many images you want. I'll generate 4 and set the quality to high. Now let's select a style for the model images. Under style, you will find different aesthetics. Hover over any option to review how it affects the final image. I'm going for a high resolution editorial look, so I'll select that. Next, we need to enter a text prompt to guide the AI. This tells how to generate the model, background and lighting. For example, I am entering a professional fashion model wearing a red evening gown. Make sure to include front view so the AI generates the model facing forward. If you're unsure what to write, I've added some example prompts in the description. Just copy, paste and tweak them to fit your vision. Once everything is set, click generate and let's see what we get. After a few seconds, we have our results. They look incredible. The model, lighting, details are exactly what we wanted. If an image isn't perfect, you can tweak the settings and try again. To download the best images, just click download. If we compare these AI-generated model shots to the actual dress image, you can see how closely they match. If some images aren't quite right, just regenerate until you get the perfect match. Now that we've covered AI-generated model shots, let's take a step further by creating high-end product photography for small items like perfumes, watches, or cosmetics. For this, we are going to use MidJourney and ChatGPT to generate photorealistic product backgrounds, then blend them with real product shots. Before taking my own product photos, I start by brainstorming ideas in ChatGPT. I use the MidJourney MJ Prompt Generator V6 inside ChatGPT to generate structured prompts specially designed for MidJourney. ChatGPT generates refined prompts that work directly in MidJourney. If you don't have a MidJourney account yet, check out a quick tutorial on YouTube. It takes 5 minutes to set it up. Now I take these prompts, paste them into MidJourney, and this is where the real magic happens. MidJourney generates multiple background variations and I pick the one that fits my vision. This step is critical because AI-generated background sets the tone for the final product shot. If the first results aren't perfect, I refine my prompt in ChatGPT and try again until I get something stunning. I highly recommend getting the MidJourney annual plan. The investment is absolutely worth it for the level of control and quality that you get. Alright, now let's go to the editor. You can upload an image and use the eraser tool to remove or tweak elements. You can also adjust the aspect ratio to expand the image vertically or horizontally. For this project, I wanted to extend the background and slightly adjust the reflections on the marble. You can also fine-tune details by adjusting stylization, weirdness, and variety settings. When making edits, always add a description of what you want, just like Photoshop's generative fill. Once I'm happy with the final AI-generated background, I can bring it back to Canva and make some simple adjustments like adding the shadow and fixing some minor issues here and there. And here's the final result. A high-end luxury perfume product shot that looks completely professional, created using AI and real photography. So let's say you want to use this image as a base or template for showcasing your actual product. Here's how you can do it. First, I'll upload this mock-up image to ChatGPT. Then I'll provide a photo of the product I want to use. In this case, just for testing, I'm using a Versace perfume bottle. Now all I have to do is give it a simple prompt. Wait for a few minutes and it's done. The mock-up has been replaced with the actual product. That's insane. And the best part, you can do this with literally anything. I have made custom mock-ups for a Coca-Cola can, a Prime bottle, a KFC bucket, you name it. This workflow has changed the way I create product photos. Instead of expensive studio setups or hours of editing, I can generate photorealistic backgrounds in MidJourney, take a matching real product shot and blend them together for a seamless final image. I'm always experimenting with new AI tools and techniques, so if you have any ideas or tools you'd like me to test, drop them in the comments, I'll check them out. If you found this useful, leave a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Click here if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.